Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing great. So today I will be creating Korean makeup look. So I haven't tried this before. This is my first time trying Korean makeup. So without any further ado, let us start the video. So I'll be starting with my skincare. First of all, I'll be applying some toner. Here I'm using the Good Vibes Cucumber Toner. I will wait till it dries up. Next, for the serum, I'll be using the Dermaco's Niacinamide Serum. Now I'll moisturize my face using the Good Vibes Aloe Vera Gel. So now I'll be using a primer from Inside Cosmetics. If you want to skip this step, you can definitely do, because aloe vera gel works as a primer. For foundation, I'm using the Lakme's 925 Primer Plus Matte Perfect Cover Foundation. It is in the shade W120 Warm Cream. It is one shade lighter than my skin, but somehow I will make it work. For concealer, I am using the Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer. It is in the shade 25 Medium. I am using a very minimal amount. So here I'm trying to straighten up my brows a bit, because in Korean makeup straight brows are very much prominent. So here I'm trying to hide my eyebrow tips using the concealer. So now I'll be setting up my face using some setting powder. For that, I'm using the Blue Heavens translucent powder. Here I'm not setting up my entire face. I'm only setting up the areas which are oily, especially around my eyes and my nose. I will fill up my brows using the Blue Heavens brow pencil in the shade brown. I will keep it totally natural. I will not overdo it. So first of all, I will be brushing it up using the spoolie. Moving on to the eye makeup, first of all I'll be using a light orange shade on my crease and my lids using a fluffy brush. Here I'm using the Beauty Glazed palette. So here I am pulling the same shade on my lower lash line as well. I will darken my outer V using some brown shade from the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette. Now I'll be using this very beautiful shimmer rose gold shade from the SFR Colors Job Baker palette on my inner lids. So to add some extra sparkle to my eyes, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty's metallic eyeshadow, the liquid eyeshadow in the shade Champagne. So I've seen a lot of Korean makeup videos where they use shimmer shades on their inner waterline. So using a flat brush, I'll put some glitter on my inner part of the waterline. In Korean makeup, ege sal is a very important part which makes the eye look a little bigger. So here I am creating one. Many of them have it naturally. So what you need to do is take up a contour shade and just draw it beneath the waterline. So here is it. So in Korean makeup, they use a very thin liner. They do not go with thicker liner because they have monolids. So here I'm using a brush and some dark brown shade to create eyeliner. Korean makeup also includes natural eyelashes. So here I'm not putting an extra pair of falsies. I will go with my natural eyelash. So I'll curl up my lashes using some mascara. For that I'm using the Nykaa Curl Power Mascara. So for contouring, I'll be using some powder contour. So for that I'm using the Swiss Beauty's Blush Plus Highlighter palette. So for blush, I'll be using the SFR Colors single blush palette, which is in the shade Nude Berry. For highlighter, I'll be using the Urban Choice highlighter in the shade 04. So I'll not be highlighting the entire nose. I'll just highlight the flatter part and the tip of my nose. This will lift up my nose a bit. In 70 to 80% of the Korean makeup, we will be finding gradient lips. So here I will be using a darker red shade on the inner part of my lips. So by using the same beauty blender by which I blended the concealer, I'll be tapping the outer part of my lips so that it creates a gradient effect. Now I will top it with some tinted lip balm. For that extra gloss, I'll be using the marula oil. And here is the complete Korean makeup look. So this was the video, guys. I hope you all have enjoyed watching this video. If you do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, and those who are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to get notifications whenever I come up with new videos. I'll see you in my next video.